Hello, welcome back. It's a woman, Angela KOD. Today we are in Paris and we are here to try some of the street food they have in Paris. Come with me and let's go and try. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's explore Paris. Come, let's go. Guys, today I'm in the street called Porte de Saint-Ouen. You are going to hear me speak a lot of French today. Come with me and let's go. It's really excited here. I can see a lot of shops with different types of food. So come with me and let's go and explore, guys. Bonjour. Yes. We have entered one joint. Hello. Guys, as you can see, they have a lot of stuff here. Wow, everything looks so delicious. I think I'm going to try this hot dogs with onions on it. It looks so yummy. I like it. I want to try this one. How much is this one?
It's 350.
350. Okay, I want to buy one of these. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, and guys, I think this French looks almost like Spanish because the Spanish also says Los Pollos and it's the same. So original. Yes. Wow. Right, can you wait? Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Guys, this is the moment of truth. What do you call this? So this one is with pollo, right? Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, so this is chicken hot dog with fried onions, guys. Look. So let's try. Yummy. I like this. It's really delicious, guys. This is so delicious and yummy. So anytime you come to Paris, come to Los Pollos Original and get yourself some goodies here, guys. This is French street food. We are in Paris, guys. We are still enjoying it. Guys, as I said earlier, there's so many to eat in one place. So this is another joint to enjoy some more goodies. So guys, as you can see, there's so many to eat here, but we are trying this one. Yes. This one, yeah. Yeah, it's also with chicken, right? Okay. Yeah, how much is it? 250. Alright, it's good. Yeah, one is okay. Yes, thank you. Yes, okay. So, spring rolls with chicken spring rolls, guys. This is so crunchy. This is so delicious. The flavors is so amazing, guys. Yes, merci.
Thank you very much.
Wow. Yes, thank you. Hi guys, as you can see, is this a Japanese or Chinese restaurant? Wow, so this is also a Chinese joint in Paris, guys. So anytime you are around, you can also come and try. So we are here to try. So just a portion. We want to buy something. So a little bit of rice and some of this, and then you have chicken or there's no chicken.
Chicken,
yeah. Okay.
Chicken.
Okay.
Beef.
Okay.
Pork.
Okay.
And then chicken.
And then chicken. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, so you give this one. Yes. Yeah, 100 grams.
100 grams is
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
And then 100 grams of this one, the chicken. Yes.
Okay. You want for here to go?
No, for here.
For here.
Yes. This is the first time I'm hearing somebody speaking English. Hey! Oh, yes. Yes, merci. Merci. Yeah. Yeah, shisha. Some they say thank you in Chinese, right? How do you call it? Shisha. Yeah, shisha. Merci. So guys, let's dig in and try this Chinese cuisine right here in the heart of Paris. This is so delicious, guys. As you all know, Chinese food are always delicious. So this is so delicious. Really, really delicious, guys. I'm enjoying it. Guys, as you can see, I've done justice to this food. This food is so yummy. I've really enjoyed it. Really, really delicious. Hi. Turkish pizza, this one.
This one pizza.
Yeah.
Okay. Salad tomato fritti. Salad tomato.
What do you call it? Yeah, salad.
Here.
Yes, here. How many?
350.
Yes.
Thank you.
And then 50. So guys, I think everybody needs to practice their French because nobody speaks English here. Only few, maybe 10% of people speak English here. So when you really want to visit Paris, I think you should try to learn a little bit of French because I'm really finding it very difficult here, but at least I'm trying. I know bonsoir, comment tu t'appelles, aha, je m'appelle Angela. Hey! Can I have a little bit of sauce on it? Yeah, sauce. A little bit of sauce, please. Sauce. What is Algeria? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Yeah, thank you. Guys, look. So this is our Turkish pizza, right? Yes. Yeah, Turkish pizza. So let's give it a try. So guys, let's dig in this goodies. Very delicious. Thank you. This is so yummy. I like it. I really love this. This is so yummy. With all the vegetables, the sauce, the little bit of lemon juice, you can feel it. Yeah. Merci. Au revoir. Au revoir. So guys, we cannot come to Paris being in France without trying croissants. So let's try croissants made in Paris, guys. Wow, everything looks so yummy here. So guys, as you can see, we cannot be in France without trying original croissants made in Paris. So today we are here to try some yummy croissants, guys. Look, so delicious. Bonjour, madame. Yeah, I'm buying croissants. Yeah. This is this. Okay, that one looks good. Yes, I want that one. How much, please? All right, thank you. Yes, merci. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, look, this is so fresh, so crunchy, and looks so good. So let's give it a try. Yes, this is really authentic Paris croissants. It's so delicious. I love this. The flavors. This is so yummy. I love this. Okay, au revoir. Bye. Guys, this is evening street food in Paris, and we are still hunting for more food. Let's go, guys. Yes, thank you. So guys, as you can see, we cannot come to Paris without trying the famous French fries. So it's going with cheddar cheese. Yeah.
Our food is very tasty.
Wow.
And I hope you will enjoy the food.
Yeah. So guys, what is coming to Paris without trying a famous French fry? So this is French fries with cheddar cheese sauce. Let's try. This is so delicious, guys. Look, really authentic, original. Oh, I love this. Very crispy, crunchy, and delicious, guys.
Donne-moi du Sprite. Il reste ou quoi? Vous avez un pipi?
Taper sur de l'eau.
Yummy, yummy. Guys, as you can see, I've done justice to these delicious fries. Thank you so much for coming with me to Paris to enjoy this delicious street food. But if you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Paris. Bye bye from au revoir. Bye bye. Do kiss.